Hello, YouTube. I'm here back at FedEx Field. It is a Monday night football for the Washington team, and we are as close to the field as we can get. There's the stadium about a quarter mile down the road. So, just to give people an idea about how far I am and where I'm at. So, the last test I'm doing for this evening is AT&T and Verizon. So, let's see what happens when these two are going ahead up against each other. So, as you can see, FedEx Field is where the circle is. Circle, blue dot is where I am. Alrighty. Speed test by Google. Get a baseline. AT&T is still solid right now. This football game is not affecting them that much. And Verizon is still able to pull data down. I got 57.2 megabits per second down on AT&T and 14.5 up. On Verizon is 12.4 megabits down and 18.9 megabits up for Verizon. All right. Regular speed test. Alrighty, and out the gate, AT&T is still holding strong right now. And both of them have data to spare a little bit. AT&T has more. 68.6 down. Verizon is 16.5 down. Verizon is 18.9 up. And AT&T look like it's going to be about 8.7 up. All right. How much throughput are we getting from these towers? So Verizon is taking a major hit because this normally would be about 4 megabits per second. I'm only seeing 2. It might be about 2.8. 2.8 for Verizon. That is a far cry from their consistency. So they're normally about 4.1 megs down. And AT&T is blazing still at 48 megabits. The imperv test. Want to start both of them at the same time. And so they both are showing a lot of speed going on. Verizon's browsing test is still going pretty strong. AT&T should be doing pretty good on this one too. There are a lot of people using this network right now. I brought a couple of customers down here from DC to see the game, so I end up staying right here to do some testing. Verizon's moved on to the video. AT&T is starting the video test now. we go. 360p. Verizon's already done with that one. AT&T just finished. .720p. Both of them just finished. And 1080p already done for Verizon. Browsing is still capable. Streaming is still capable. And no, I didn't say Google. Waiting for the results for AT&T. Ooh, that's taking a while. Come on. Look like AT&T is not going to give me the results. Come on. And it looked like it's not going to give it to me. But it was holding its own with the streaming and the browsing, so I'm going to assume they did pretty good, given the fact that the app might have acted up right at the last moment. I'll see if it comes back. Last thing, my PUBG test. Three, 2, 1, go. Alrighty, they're both coming out the blocks. AT&T's at 4, Verizon's at 2. AT&T's at 12, Verizon's at 4. $16 to $7. $25 to $10. $30 to $12. And $42 to $14. $51 to $15. AT&T did show that they had a lot more potential here. We had $60 to $16. $66 to $16. $73 to $16. So it looked like Verizon stalled out. $82 to $17. $89 to $17. Verizon has stalled out on this test. $98 to $17. 100% to $17. Alrighty, people. There you have it. I've done all three, and heads up to all three. So right now, T-Mobile needs a lot of work. Verizon needs more towers over here, and AT&T is killing it. So I thank y'all for watching. Put Please like, share, and subscribe if you need, please. And I'm looking forward to any comments anything you might want to talk about this test. Y'all have a good evening.